Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're diving into the features of two fantastic options for anyone needing a compact laundry solution. First up is the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine, a 10-liter folding washer designed for maximum portability and simplicity. It's perfect for washing light items like underwear and baby clothes, and operates quietly at just 30 decibels. On the other hand, we have the Sangukiro Portable Washer, boasting a larger 16-liter capacity and an integrated dehydration basket for quick drying. With its semi-automatic operation, it offers more versatility but requires a bit more user involvement. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other in various categories. Let's start with the price. The DXJJ portable washing machine is priced at an affordable $50, making it a great entry-level option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Sangukiro portable washer comes in at $69, reflecting its larger capacity and added features. While the Sangukiro offers more functionality, the DXJJ is a fantastic choice for those who want a reliable and economical solution for small loads. Next, let's discuss capacity. The DXJJ model has a capacity of 10 liters, which is suitable for small loads like underwear and socks. However, if you're looking to wash larger batches, the Sangukiro's 16-liter capacity provides a significant advantage, allowing you to wash more items at once. This makes it a better option for families or those who need to do laundry more frequently. Finally, let's look at functionality. The DXJJ portable washing machine is fully automatic, meaning you can set it and forget it, making it incredibly user-friendly. On the other hand, the Sangukiro portable washer is semi-automatic and includes a dehydration basket, allowing for a light spin cycle to help dry your clothes faster. While this adds convenience, it also requires some manual intervention, which might not be ideal for everyone. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Sangukiro portable washers have their strengths and weaknesses. The DXJJ is perfect for those who prioritize quiet operation and affordability, while the Sangukiro is ideal for users needing a larger capacity and a spin feature. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific laundry needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.